10 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 9 little bunnies jumping on the bed. One hopped off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more bunnies jumping on the bed. 8 little bears jumping on the bed. One rolled off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no.
Watch full video on Kids Planet Safari.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos!